Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create Vue app on Windows. First of all, we have to have Node.js in our PC. So just go to the CMD and type node --version to check that if you have Node installed in your device or not. Here you can see I got this. If you don't have this, just go to the browser and go for the Node.js and download the latest version. So click here in the first link, get Node.js, then select any long time support option. Here you can see this is the current version 25. So I will not recommend you to download any of this. Just go with the long time support. Okay. So select this one and then scroll a little bit down and you will find this .msi option. So just click here and it will actually downloaded and the download will be complete. Then you can actually install it in your PC. So when you install it and then if you go for the CMD and type node --version, you will find something like this. It means you have Node.js, right? Now we can actually create Vue app on Windows. So where actually you want to create app? Let's say I want to create app here. So I'm going to create a new folder for this. Let's say I want to create a new folder and I'm going to say here that all my project. I want to keep all my project here. Okay. And inside this, I'm going to create the project. Okay. So first of all, we have to actually go for the CMD. Here you can say I'm in this folder. Okay. So just click here in the address bar and type here CMD. It will open. Command prompt here you can see. Now here, first command should be npm create void add latest, and now you have to give the project name. So let's say I want to create a project name of my view. Let's say my view -project. Here and done. Now here you can see we have a different option here, vanilla, then view. So select view. So press arrow key from your keyboard, down arrow to go down and up arrow to go up. Okay. So select view here and hit enter. And here we go. Now we have option here. You can see now you can select any of them by pressing arrow key, down arrow to go down and up arrow to go up. Okay. So we'll actually select JavaScript, hit enter. So use row down white. Okay. We'll say no as it is and install with npm and start now. We'll say yes. And here you can see installing dependencies with npm. Here you go. Now our server is also running. So just select it and hit enter. Okay. And if you go here, you can see we have a project here. Now go to the browser and open it. So just paste it, Ctrl+V and hit enter. And here you go. This is our project. This is how actually you can create Vue app on Windows